Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can connect pendrive through OTG in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, see in the bottom side of your phone, here you will see USB port. Here you go to connect a OTG adapter. Okay, so bring OTG adapter and connect here. This is OTG C-type adapter. Okay, one end has C-type, other end has USB port, and connect like this. Now bring any pen drive and connect here. Pen drive should be connected here. Yes, connected. Now go to the notification area and you can see the notification USB storage added. Click it. Yes, here you are seeing all folders in the pen drive, so you can access all folders and files in your pen drive using this OTG adapter. Okay, so if you want to transfer some files from pen drive to your phone, yes, you can easily copy by accessing these folders. Okay, so in this way you can easily make OTG connection for pen drive in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.